Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco, your 2019 English test of oral past question number 51. So we are using this instruction to answer question number 51 to 60. And the instruction says that we should look out for the option among the list of options provided that has the phonetic symbol that is given. And the phonetic symbol here is produced as s, 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 s. That is like the movement of a snake. And option A given here, the option A given here is pronounced as circle. Then the option B is pronounced as dance. So these are the transcription. Option C is pronounced as educate. Option D is pronounced as share. Not share. So it is not sound. Option E is pronounced as sheep, not sound. Take note of that. So the only option that has sound is option A. Therefore, option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.